Are you frustrated with your wardrobe? Do you open up your closet and think you have absolutely nothing to wear and you don't really know how to put your outfits together? Well, I'm having a 1-day workshop on March 15th called Unlock Your Style Potential. Discover the best styles, shapes, and colors for your body. We are going to be looking at clothing shapes. We're going to be looking at your shaped body. We're going to be looking into a color analysis, understanding what colors work best for your skin and your hair. We're going to be looking at face shape, what shape glasses, what shape earrings, what shape necklaces work best for your shape face. So please join me. It's a full day from 10 to 4:30 on Saturday, March 15th in San Carlos, California. Please check it out. Register below. I'd love to have you. Lunch is included. Thanks.